Well, hello, YouTube fans. This is Trent coming back at you at the shop. And today, we're going to start putting the lights on the boat trailer. This boat trailer was a semi-V trailer. And we had to modify this guy. Everything that was the lateral parts that were in the V, we had to make a straight key notch. Anyway, today I'm going to put these slick sticks on. I don't know if y'all are all familiar with these things, but these are guideposts, brake lights, running lights, all in one. And they're called slick sticks. Now I got these at the Houston Boat Show. I guess it was back in whenever before COVID hit. But anyway, they're relatively simple to install. They split in the middle, and here's all your wiring. Pretty simple. Your post, which is this guy right here, your guide post, and mine's 1.5 inches by 3/16 and 40 inches tall. And when we built the trailer, we measured the width of the Majek, and we left an inch of play on both sides. That's pretty much how they work. So anyway, they clamshell together. The other half comes off. You run your wire down the center of the tube, and then it goes back together like that. And there's supplied stainless steel screws. All right, well, let's get started. We'll install these on the boat trailer. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, there's no left or right to these guys. You can put either one on either side. They're mirrored. So either way you do it, it doesn't really matter. First things first, make sure all our wiring is tucked in the little channels that are provided. That way when we put it back together, nothing gets smashed. Next thing is we'll take our lead coming off the, you have 3 wires. You have a white, black, and a yellow. Yellow is going to be your brake and turn. Black's going to be ground, and the white's going to be your running lights, I believe. That's what it says in the manual. You have to correct me on that if I'm wrong. So we'll just lace this through. They give you plenty of wire. Plenty of wire. Okay. Run your post till it bottoms out on top. Make sure your wiring's not pinched. Give them a real good squeeze. All the way from top to bottom. We'll check all our wiring out and make sure none of this will get pinched whenever we put the clamshell piece, the backside on. And we won't have no wiring issues. All right, so that all looks like everything's gonna clear. No smashed wires anywhere. Okay, so next is we'll put the back. Now all this has chamfers inside of here that fit for the bulbs. It has a groove for the light to stay in place. It's very well made. Whoever designed these did a really good job. And the good thing, they're LED lights, and they're up high, so the chances of them going in the water and getting wet is very, very minimal. So just like that, we put him into place. Now the kit comes with supplied stainless steel screws. Just use a regular screw gun to install them. And I got the tip on here that I have is too big. Let me get a smaller tip. All right, sorry about that, guys. It's way too big. Oh yeah, much better. So pick your hole, run it in until the drill motor goes click, click, click. Pretty simple. Pretty simple, really good design. All right, so I'm not gonna bore you with putting all these screws in. Let's take you along with me here. Okay, so anyway, this is how they look. 1.5 inch, 3/16 square tubing is what I have welded. You have your running light on top, which is LED. Then you have your brake light on the back, which is LED also. These are DOT approved. And they call them slick sticks because they're pretty slick. And they're very durable, the way they're built. So the gunnel of your boat right here, when you load on your trailer, your gunnel will catch right in here anywhere on the side. And so, all right guys, we put the other side on. I still got all the boards put on. I got all those made, all the other lights, start pulling wire. Use all the marine connection fittings, all the waterproof marine connection fittings. And we'll get this Majek back up on the trailer and get started on it, get finishing it up. All right, so I got both of the slick sticks installed. Got this guy here close to me. And the other guy on the other side, he's installed. Very simple to do. I still gotta hook the wiring up. That's all next. So really good design. Really good design. The top is your running light. And of course the back has a running light and blinker. Really nice setup. Very well made, very sturdy ABS plastic. Just that's how they look. Hopefully you like them. I've seen a lot of the bass boat guys are doing them. A lot of the saltwater guys are running to them too because the LED and they're out of the water. And they serve as a dual purpose deal as a guide also for your boat. If you don't have sideboards like I don't, these can work as a side guide. All right guys, that's all there is to it. Here's their name. That is them. I am not sponsored by these guys, Slick Sticks. This is on my own to make this video to show you. They didn't pay me. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm just a normal guy that went and paid, I think around $200 is what it was for the set. Just a normal guy. I bought them. I'm just installing them just to show you. All right.